Namaskar, I am Narayan Kar. Friends, I read a Live Mint article just recently. The article is very interesting in a sense that it throws light on the history of farmers' agitation in independent India. The article says that the farmers' agitation in independent India does not get pan-India support. And it goes on to mention or outline a couple of very strong reasons for the farmers' agitation not getting pan-India support at any point of time. However, on two occasions in 1970s under Chaudhry Charan Singh and in 1980s under Mahendra Singh Tikait's leadership, farmers' agitations were held. But it did not, or rather failed to get the support from farmers, especially the small farmers and the agricultural laborers, to rally behind their protests across India. Now, what are the reasons for these small farmers not coming to the support of any farmers' agitation in independent India? The reasons are there are huge divergence of income in the farmers across India. The farmers in the northwestern belt, that is Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana, these farmers are very rich and also are owning a huge bank of lands. On the other hand, the farmers from other states do not enjoy the kind of luxury these big farmers in Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana enjoy. For the large farmers, the issue of MSP could be very important because they deal, or they rather grow wheat or paddy. But the small farmers in other states deal in dairy and vegetable businesses. So the MSP issue does not bother them at all. And such farmers are more in other parts of the country. And hence you hardly find these small farmers and agricultural laborers coming to the support of the agitation of farmers or taking the shape of pan-India farmers' agitation. Before the 2019 elections, the media were full with disquiet among Indian farmers, but when the results were out, the ruling BJP had increased their vote share by 8% from 2014. So the truth is pan-India farmers' agitation is difficult to sustain in India. The farmers usually respond to castes and community calls, though the farmers form a bigger block of voters. They are fragmented in largely local issues, if not by crops and food supply other than the grains. The fake farmers' protest in Delhi could be a sobering thought for the Khalistanis, the anti-CAA brigade, and hecklers from abroad such as Justin Trudeau in Canada. But it would not cut much ice in India. This protest, ladies and gentlemen, will die down just as Shaheen Bagh protests did. But the government and its agencies should do everything to avoid another set of riots as we witnessed in Delhi. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.